Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not True Reviews, and today we're unboxing together Norlii. Okay, so this is a brand new subscription box. There's my co-host on cue. So this is a subscription box that sends you Scandinavian home decor delivered to you bi-monthly. So each of these boxes is $89 with a $7 shipping fee. I do not, actually that's a lie. I know exactly what's in here. I looked on their site when I was getting this all together and I was like, oh, that's what's in there. I can't wait. I want to see it with you guys. So you pop it open, and the top does have my FedEx label, or I can show you that. It's pretty simple though. It just has a fragile label. It's a huge box. Right, Swifty? Look at how big it is. Okay, so you open it up, and it looks like this. Like how my outfit matches. We're like all in taupe. All right, so you have this card here that says, about Norlii is your Scandinavian decor subscription service. Every season, the Norlii box celebrates the beauty and functionality of Scandinavian design and decor. So like their elements are like very clean lines. They have the elements of like natural elements in their stuff, and it's very functional. So the clean lines mix well with other styles to upgrade and enhance your home. A new Norlii box is curated every 2 months with premium items just for you. Okay, so this is gonna, let's peek in. Dining in style, that's the theme of this, is dining in style. Nature clears your mind like nothing else. After a busy day, it feels wonderful to get a bit of fresh air to renew and relax. The Scandinavian lifestyle celebrates the uplifting ambiance nature creates. This Norlii box focuses on the delightfulness of sitting outside on a summer night enjoying simple foods in a cozy atmosphere. We have included 5 new pieces your home will love. The raw mix of ageless, crisp design from the 50s, the salad set's expression, and the ceramic bowl's rustic imitation of nature creates a sophisticated look we know you will appreciate for years to come. Enjoy the items for a dinner out on the porch or anywhere else you feel comfortable. So, and you can also right now win more Scandinavian decor and accessories. Like them on Instagram, show photos of how you're using the items in your Norlii box. Remember to use the hashtag NorliiBox for your photo. And then we're going to look at this after, but first we're going to go in and just look at everything. So I'm going to pull the box here. Whoosh, let's move out, zoom out. All right, so our first item is this beautiful, glorious bowl. Look at this beauty. Look at this bowl. How pretty is this for the center of your table? And you put some salad in it or whatever. Oh my goodness, the glaze inside. Look at that like mottled finish. And then you got that darker line at the top. So this is from Bros to Copenhagen. I've never heard of that company, but why, why would I? It is dishwasher safe, oven safe, and I don't know what that other one means. No, it's not, no, microwave safe, not oven safe. Sorry, Charlie. All right, so there is that. Beautiful, I love it. All right, excuse my catsa. All right, next we have, so these are Norman Copenhagen Krennet. So this looks like a salad server. How beautiful. What are these made of? I don't know if they're plastic. Yeah, they're some sort of plastic, like a very durable plastic. So there's that. And then you've got your spiky one up here. Aren't they pretty? Is that weird that I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what material it's made of. All right. Ooh, I'm excited. What's in here? I don't have scissors. Are these from Bloomingville? I have a few items from Bloomingville. They make very like modern home decor, but very nice. Sorry about all my laundry over there. Kitty, pss, pss, pss. No, out of my plant. Pss, pss, pss. Out of there. Out. Hey. Pss, pss, pss. No, no, no. Get out of there. Get out of there. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. If I can ever open these. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to go get my scissors. All right, so I'm back. Put my dangerous scissors over here. So we have 2, are these little tea light holders? Or like candle holders? They're so pretty. Look at that color. It goes beautifully with like the theme, the tone of the box. Very subdued. So these are from Bloomingville. I think they're, we're going to find out what they are when we look. But I'm guessing this is the same thing based on the pictures I saw on their site. I do like that the boxes are themed as well, because they're probably, I'm guessing, going to go through different areas of your home. Like your kitchen and, you know, your living area or your bathroom and just different items like that. So I'm excited to see what they have in the future and the coming months. Yeah, this is the same thing. So there are 2 of these little cups. These are candle holders, but I'm not sure because you are supposed to be eating outside. And then finally we have what appears to be some really cool napkins. So these are splash 20 napkins. These are Danish design from firmliving.com. So there they are. That's pretty. Oh, look at the front. That's so cute. All right, let's look at our little listing here. All right, so the Braste Copenhagen bowl. The Nordic Sea bowl is hand painted and dyed in 2 different colors. During each burning process, the colors change unpredictably, giving them each piece an individual look and imitating the rough and immense Nordic Sea. The value of this bowl alone is $42. The napkins are $8. They add a touch of splash to your table, setting with these dynamic paper napkins to make sure the dinner is kept in good style. The Norman CPH, the Krennet salad set, was designed by Danish designer Herbert Crenshaw in 1953. It is made in durable melanin. That's the, I couldn't think, I'm like, it's not just plastic. Anyway, the material itself was very important to Mr. Crenshaw as it adds a soft aspect to the design and is a major factor in its appeal. This salad set is a modern classic. Those are valued at $25. Finally, we have the Bloomingville. These are candle holders. They're designed with ruffled glass to create a warm and flickering light to the surroundings. Candles are the core of any Scandinavian home because they set a cozy atmosphere. Hug a baby like nothing else. Group them with your own candle light for your own personal look. Value approximately $16. So when we add it all up, we got 42 plus 8, 50 plus 25 is 75. 85 plus 6 is $91. So you are getting your money's worth with this, and it is a curated set that I think is very beautiful. I love, love, love this bowl. I think it's gorgeous. So guys, if you're interested in the full review, I will link to that below. I will also link to Norlii Box so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!